Hi everybody, this is your announcement for Philosophy 201. Today is April 8th, 2019. Excuse me. So today is, or this week, we have what I call a journal week, where we're still in Module 4. So this is Module 4.2. So for this week, you're going to write a journal assignment on ethics. Okay, so it's giving you a chance to reflect on what the readings that you did last week and the discussions that you had on those authors, and to reflect on how this applies to your own philosophy of ethics. So the question, if you look at the assignment instructions, is this: how do you determine what you ought to do? So that's a question of what are your ethics. Describe your philosophy of ethics. Which of the readings in Module 4.1 is most similar to the beliefs you hold about ethics? Explain why the reading is more similar to your beliefs. Okay, so that is your journal assignment. Just to reiterate that your response to each of the questions should be at least 1 to 2 paragraphs, which is 3 to 5 sentences in each paragraph. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing for this week. Idea to kind of reread those readings again, to think about them. And one thing I want to say about the journal is make sure that you talk about the readings. Okay, don't ignore that second question where it asks you to talk about the readings. Because some students were not talking about the readings, so make sure you do that. Okay, follow the instructions in the assignment. Also, just to remind you, you can also supplement your journal with illustrations. So you're invited to include up to 3 visual images in your journal response to illustrate your written journal. So that's not supposed to substitute for the written part. You still have to do that. But if you want to add illustrations that either you find, off of the internet, or that you might create yourself, as drawings or paintings or whatever, you're welcome to do that. And I think it's really interesting to see how students sort of visually interpret philosophy. So that's it. That's what we're doing for this week. Okay, so I will be working on grading your discussions from last week, and we'll keep moving on. We'll start a new module next week. Okay, so again, if you have any questions or need clarification of anything, please let me know. That's what I'm here for. And in this announcement, I'm going to give you a little treat. It has to do with ethics. It's a scene from one of my favorite shows that's on TV right now, The Good Place. So, and they talk about kind of a classic problem in philosophy. Okay, so I hope you enjoy that. All right. And after you watch it, tell me how you would solve the trolley problem in the comments to this announcement. Okay, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of you who watch, and I will see you again next week. Bye.